Welcome to Life Envoy. Today's topic, magnesium, a vital mineral often misunderstood, especially concerning its role in brain health. You might take magnesium daily for muscles or sleep, and blood tests may show normal levels, yet your brain could still be deficient. Most forms of magnesium struggle to cross the crucial blood-brain barrier, leaving your brain running low despite adequate body levels. Magnesium is vital for brain metabolism, impacting everything from energy production to nerve function. Scientists at MIT developed Magnesium L-Threonate, specifically designed to efficiently cross this barrier and reach the brain. Experiments showed this compound significantly raised magnesium levels inside the brain, while conventional forms had no measurable effect. The result? Sharper memory, stronger neural connections, and better protection against cognitive decline. Magnesium L-Threonate is a promising compound, and its benefits for cognitive function are truly fascinating. As we age, worries about memory loss and cognitive decline, often associated with dementia, become more prevalent. Dementia, a gradual loss of mental abilities, involves damage to nerve cells, often from Alzheimer's disease, which accounts for 60 to 70% of cases. In Alzheimer's, beta amyloid and tau proteins accumulate, damaging neurons and causing the brain to shrink, particularly in the memory-forming hippocampus. While Alzheimer's isn't curable, its progression can be slowed through healthy habits like exercise, mental training, and targeted nutrition. Magnesium is involved in over 300 biochemical processes, crucial for energy production, DNA repair, nerve function, and balancing stress hormones. Most importantly, it protects your nerve cells from overload, keeping communication between neurons smooth and supporting new connections essential for learning and memory. A lack of magnesium in the brain impairs mental performance, mood, and even sleep quality, highlighting its critical role. Only about 1% of your body's magnesium is in the blood, meaning a normal blood test can mask a silent deficiency in your brain and cells. Chronic stress is a major culprit, burning through huge amounts of magnesium and making your nervous system hypersensitive. When magnesium levels drop, you become more irritable, sleep worse, and can't think clearly as your brain becomes literally overloaded. Low magnesium leads to cognitive decline, worsening memory and slowing learning, a common issue for many. It also activates genes linked to neuroinflammation, a dangerous condition that increases the risk of Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Magnesium calms NMDA receptors. When low, these become overexcited, leading to neuron damage and a higher risk of seizures. Furthermore, low magnesium dramatically worsens neuronal damage after head injuries and weakens the blood-brain barrier, allowing harmful molecules to enter. Many magnesium forms like bisglycinate or citrate are great for the body, but barely reach the brain, even with perfect blood levels. This is why Magnesium L-Threonate, marketed as Magtein, is so unique. It's the only clinically tested, patented version that effectively raises brain magnesium. The secret lies in L-threonic acid, acting as a transport vehicle, helping magnesium pass through the blood-brain barrier, increasing brain magnesium by about 15% in animal studies. As brain magnesium increased, researchers observed improvements in learning, memory, and synaptic function, outperforming all other forms tested. Astonishingly, studies revealed new brain cells forming in the hippocampus, the region hardest hit by dementia, and protection against programmed cell death. Magnesium L-Threonate also reduced neuroinflammation by lowering inflammatory messengers and improved synaptic function, making brain communication smoother. Perhaps most fascinating, it helped repair the gut-brain axis, stabilizing the gut barrier and offering benefits for both mind and gut. Human studies are promising, with pilot studies showing measurable improvements in memory, cognition, and brain metabolism in dementia patients after 12 weeks. A Stanford study showed significant improvements in cognitive assessment scores, and early trials with healthy adults revealed better short-term memory, focus, and sleep quality. The most convincing data comes from a 2022 double-blind, placebo-controlled study where participants taking Magtein showed significant improvements in memory performance. Notably, older participants benefited the most, with no serious side effects reported, just improved cognitive performance. The recommended daily amount is 1,500 to 2,000 milligrams of magnesium L-threonate, split into 2 or 3 servings, equaling about 120 to 140 milligrams of elemental magnesium. You can combine it with your usual magnesium supplements, using L-threonate for brain support and another form for muscles or overall metabolism. Consistency is key, as it can take several weeks to feel the effects, similar to the 8 to 12-week study durations. For even better results, consider combining magnesium L-threonate with activated vitamin B6, known as P5P, which can amplify benefits for brain metabolism. If you want better focus, take it in the morning. For improved sleep, take it in the evening, adjusting based on your age, activity, and stress load. A whole blood magnesium test provides the most accurate picture of your cellular magnesium levels, especially if you have digestive issues affecting absorption. Be cautious of cheap, generic versions of magnesium L-threonate. The genuine Magtein raw material, patented by MIT, is tested for purity and proper formulation. If the price seems too good to be true, it likely is, as genuine Magtein is the result of 20 years of MIT research and millions in funding. Thank you for watching, and remember to stay curious and healthy with Life on Boy.